Okay, tonight's shenanigans. Monroe versus the Japan crate. Hey, Monroe.
Also, definitely washing machines.
Amanda. So we just opened our Japan crate. I don't know if anybody does these things, but we're nerds. We love it. And so does Monroe.
I'm a nerd too, because I like computers very much by watching computers. Let me say hi to everyone. And there's Manuel.
She's going around to every container trying to gain access to the contents within. It's super duper cute. You know, I have never submitted a picture to Japan Crate before. I think I'm going to submit one of her. Hey. Nom 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 nom.
She's so cute. Hey, what are you doing?
She's already tried this stuff over here, so now she's got to try this.
Alright.
Gotta try the pink one. See, I can't let her try, actually, many of these. I could probably let her try these. I was reading up on it. It's some kind of barley treat snack. I think I could let her have one. Oh, no, don't chew that one. Mommy hasn't looked at that yet. It's some kind of a scratch card.
A scratch card?
And it's not for you either, Amanda. Okay? Not until Mommy looks at it. Bad video, I know. I'm going to put down the phone for just a second so I can open these little... Oh, see, she wants it. She wants it. Yeah, should we give you one? Should we give you one?
Yes.
Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. Monroe wants a treat. Harder to open than I know.
Did it hurt?
No, I got it. I got it. All right, look. It's right here. Oh.
Can I try it?
Yes, Amanda, you can try it. Monroe is the very first one to try anything in this month's Japan crate. Well, yeah, that's those barley.
That's like cereal.
Yeah, they're like sugar smacks. I don't know if they have those in Japan or not, or if they just make them into candy, but there you go. Oh, and hey, everybody. We're babysitting, birdie sitting, my mom's canary. I think I said that in the last video, but there he is. That's Twinkie.
Yep.
Here's Monroe. Did you finish your puff already?
Finished?
Here, look, your puff. Got your puff. Done. You done exploring? Okay. I guess the Japan crate craziness is done. Bye-bye.